Here's a quick little rundown on how to light the Bronco. Start out by filling up that charcoal basket with lump charcoal. It burns longer and not quite so hot for those slow burns. Next, we dig a little hole on one side so that it burns across. We put in our fire starter, which for this one I'm using Instant Fire Starters. They're out of Ontario. Absolutely amazing product. Next up, we add some wood chunks. You want to get that real wood smoke, so I'm using a couple chunks of hickory from Furtado Farms. Now we get that torch out, we start that fire starter, and we start letting it burn a little bit. We're gonna get that going, and the charcoal's gonna catch slowly. Now you can see it's snowing out, but that's okay. It's a smoker, it'll still light. We open up the lid, we drop in the basket, get it in place, and we should be good to go from there. Close up that lid, open everything up completely, and let her roll.